this video, we are going to go through a very specific exercise to help stretch out the abdomen or the front part of the belly, as well as the head and the neck, so that babies can have good flexibility in order for them to be able to do certain things like sit up without support, crawl, walk, and or if a kiddo has a torticollis diagnosis, stretching out the front part of the neck is also really important. Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Baker, and I love helping active women help themselves and their families move better. Let's get started. We're going to do some back bends. Stretch that belly out. You're going to stretch the belly out first. So you lay the baby back on a stability ball, and then, hi. Oh, we're so good. Yeah. And then you can bring them back like this. My hands are going to be on top of their pelvis, and you want their head to be relaxed. And this gives some vestibular input, but it also stretches out the abdomen. So we're going to do some back bends on the ball today, and we're going to work on stretching out the front of that neck. So you're going to lay your baby back, and then they might bring their hands to their chest. You want to try to get these high. So you want to kind of try to have hand over hand so their arms are down. And then you can kind of come over to the side. Hi. Boop, boop, boop. Hi. Boop, boop, boop. Relax. And my hand is on the top of her chest to try and kind of pull gently that fascia down, so that she increases. Hi. You want to come up, boop, boop, boop. And then in order to come up, I'm going to bring her to the side and have her push up. And then if she starts reaching for you, she might just need to be kind of calmed. So this is a really great position for relaxing or getting calm before bed. All of these activities would be really great before bed. Hi. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. Oh, 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 oh. Bounce, 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 bounce. And bouncing is really good because you can get some vestibular input into a baby. Hi. Oh, oh. And if she has kind of one hand free, if that's what she tolerates right now, that's fine. My hand is again loosely over this right arm. And you can give kind of up and down bounces to calm them as well. We're going for like 5 or 10 here. You got it. You do. Yeah, you say hi. You gotta do it. Hi. And we're gonna go back. Hey, this arm's turn. Yeah. You can also put something on or another person behind, so even if there's like a mom or a dad, and then they can give the baby kind of kisses on the forehead, that will improve that extension of the head and neck. Up, 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 up. Yeah, all done. Whoosh. Go this way. Push, push, push. Up, up, up. Hi. Oh, you did so good. Oh, you did so good, sweet girl. You did so good, sweet girl. You did. Are we working hard? Are we working hard? You did so good. Yeah. You did so good. Good job. Yeah. Are you a happy baby? Are you such a happy baby? So that video shows you guys how to utilize a stability ball for back bends to stretch out the abdominal muscles and the pelvis muscles, as well as the head and neck. Those anterior neck muscles are really important if a kiddo has a diagnosis of torticollis, and for really any babies, especially because they spend so much time with both of their hands in their mouth, or even just one hand, you might notice a difference side to side. Being able to hold that right arm down might be a little bit easier, like it was for the baby and the video. Holding the left arm down might be a little bit easier on your kiddo. It really just depends on where the tightness is and what the baby is most comfortable with. It's okay to utilize those different strategies, including bounces on the stability ball, giving your baby a hug, or praising them throughout this process. It is not necessarily a push, push, push. When we work with babies, we are really going to their tolerance. And if a baby can only tolerate one rep at a time and then you have to give a break, that's fine. Babies have different levels of tolerance. If you have any questions, absolutely 100% never be afraid to reach out to a local pediatric physical therapist. They're going to be your experts on how your baby moves and how to teach you to understand what you can do to help your baby move better. They are absolutely amazing, and I'm a little bit biased because I am one, but it is my absolute favorite thing to teach parents about how their baby specifically moves and empower the parents to show them that they really can do so much to help their babies move better and get stronger. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you drop them in the comments below. Make sure you also check out the pinned comment, because that is going to be a link to be able to schedule one-on-one time with me personally. I do international parent consultations to talk about education, including exercises for a specific milestone, as well as do any screens and help you find a physical therapist or physiotherapist in your area that can help you learn how your baby is moving. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe. It helps these videos be seen by other mamas and parents who are searching for answers just like you are. Helps these videos get seen and also helps parents feel more empowered to help their babies move better.